Hey Pookie, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and pretty please join the family. So a year ago, WestKiss Hair sent me this wig, and today we're doing a 1-year update. I'll be reinstalling it and giving you my honest thoughts. Is it wearable? Has it held up? Or is it time to let it go? Let's find out. This wig has been with me for a full year and it's a glueless wig, but today I'm going to try layered because I'm not feeling like showing lace. So I went ahead and put a contour powder on the lace to melt it in, and then I went and secured the wig. The trick with glueless wigs is to pull the strap a little bit tighter so the lace lays flat. You see already, like the lace somehow vanished into my skin. You can't see the lace anymore. It came ready, pre-bleached, pre-plucked. No work needed for me. I know it looks a hot mess, but we're going to fix that. But yeah, the wig is secured on my head. I'm just going to move it around, fidget a bit to get it to be comfortable. Then I'm going to comb all the hair back, get it out of my face, because I did say that I am going to lay this wig down with some of my Glamour RL spray. I like these clips. I got them at Cosmetic Connection. Going to use them to pin the hair away. The wig is laying, so I'm just going to apply one layer of the Glamour RL spray. I use the pink one just to melt this lace. I'm feeling extra today and I really just wanted to melt my lace in really good, And after that, I went ahead and I used my blow dryer on cold air and the back of my rat tail comb just to press that lace in nice and, sleek. This is kind of the secret ingredient. After I started using my hair dryer on cold air and a pantyhose. This is the leg of a pantyhose that I cut up. Nothing lays a wig like a pantyhose. I'm sorry, I'm not even lying about it. Nothing. But you just have to make sure that your glue or your spray is dry before you put the pantyhose on. Otherwise it's going to make a mess and make that white cast and stuff. Now you know. While my lace is melting under the pantyhose, I am going to go ahead and comb my curls out. I'm doing this just to show you guys what the curls look like when they're nice and big. I enjoy big curls because you know what they say, the bigger the hair, the closer to heaven. I saw that in a movie somewhere and it kind of stuck. But yeah, these are the curls. They are lush and soft and they feel brand new. I mean, a year later. I am going to go ahead and apply the contour powder now on top of my lace after the spray is dried down, just to melt it in. And you guys can see that lace is gone. Poof, vanished. I'm craving a middle part, so we're going to do a middle part today. Just some middle part action. I'm a very big fan of a middle part, honestly speaking. I don't know, something about a middle part. Elegant, sophisticated, cute, all in one. And then we're going to go ahead and lay the hair down. See how bumpy the hair is? I use the wax stick. It's also from the Glamour range. Just applying that to the edges of my hair, and then I'm gonna go in with my hot comb just to sleek it down. Guys, be careful with hot combs. I don't know how many times I have burnt myself on the forehead with a hot comb. These things get really hot. It's a fire hazard, honestly speaking, but beauty is pain and we want our hair laid, so we're going to suffer. I'm just going to make the front flat right where the pot is and where my edges are. I like that to be flat, and then we are going to sort of start defining the curls. I'm not going to do a lot of stuff today. I just wanted to show you guys the condition of this hair. I went and I did my makeup. Look at how cute she is. I haven't done this in a while, but it feels so good to get excited about doing beauty content or any content at So I pinned the hair away in sections. The thing about curls is when you define, try to break it apart in sections so that you can comb them all through, so that you can, define all of them. This brush is the best thing to happen to my curled hair. Like, honestly speaking, it detangles so well, but also the definition you get in your curls, it's insane. But today I'm using plain water, just water and this brush. I'm not going to go in with product. I don't want to weigh my wig down. Just going to go ahead and unravel the sections, spray with water, and brush it through to kind of give my curls definition again. And that's basically all we're doing. So yeah, I was starting to get a headache from the melting band, and it wasn't even that tight, but I took it off. I also wanted to show you guys what lace, right? And look at it, wet or dry look. Let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite. I'm not sure. I like them both. Both look cute. But I went ahead and I sprayed the other side as well. Going to define my curls, just spritz that water everywhere and go in with my detangling brush. Oh, this is so therapeutic to watch the curls forming and stuff. But also, can you see how I'm not even struggling with brushing this hair? Like, it is incredible quality hair. Like, I mean, I've worn this so many times, but I feel like it gets prettier every time I wear it. But that is what the hair looks like. I kept running my fingers through it so I could puff it up, because I don't like my curls flat. I want them with a bit of volume. Then I went to change, and this is what she looks like. Like, oh my gosh, I'm a little obsessed. Okay, I love it. So that is the wig review. I love how the curls came out. I like them big, but I don't want them too big, This is just enough drama for me. And yeah, I'm going to keep abusing this wig. It is glueless, but we did kind of have to lay it because I was going to shoot some makeup content. But let me know how cute this wig is, and if you would rock curls like this. I'm going to leave the links, everything in my description box down below. WestKiss Hair, you're still the best in the business. I love these curls a year later and they're still holding up. I'm absolutely obsessed with them, and right in time for the colder seasons in the months. Love it. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.